So guys, we're going back to the truck to get the toys. Okay, the toys are things that we can beat things with. We have two 5-pound sludges, a 10-pound sludge. Definitely need my safety gear. I got to get something to put over my eyes and some gloves. Of course, I don't have my steel toe boots on or my pants, but hey, we're gonna run one like this anyway. This is an emergency safety tool. If you ever get stuck in your car and you need to get out quickly,
Cafe Supreme.
you guys hear that? You hear that? You hear it? There's something going on in the other end of the building. I don't know if it's somebody back there or if it's something, sounds kind of like water.